Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on System Settings and tap on one-handed mode. Then click on the switcher to activate it. As you can see, I have Triggers navigation, so I have to click on Settings over here and set up gestures. Then you can click on Learn if you wish to. I will go with Cancel though, and go back into the same one-handed mode settings. Now we can click on the switcher and follow those instructions. So I have to swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to click on the blurry area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely though, you need to click on also click. You need to click on the same switcher over here. If you wish to go back into your Triggers navigation, you need to click on System Navigation at the top of System Settings, choose Buttons, and pick one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!